In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo changes on Wix. Whether you're new to Wix or a seasoned user, at some point you've probably made changes to your website that you later wanted to roll back. That's where the undo function comes in handy. This feature is crucial for those moments when you realize that the changes you made aren't quite what you wanted, or you accidentally deleted something important. It allows you to reverse your actions and return to a previous state of your website quickly and efficiently. Now let's walk through the steps to make sure you can confidently navigate and use this feature. First, you'll need to log into your Wix account and open the Wix website editor for the site you want to work on. Once you've logged in and accessed the editor, you're already on the right track. The Wix editor is a powerful tool designed to give you as much control as possible over your website's appearance and function. It's where all the magic happens, as it allows you to customize every aspect of your website. Now, if you've made a change that you wish to reverse, whether it's moving an element, deleting text, or any other kind of modification, your next move is to locate the undo button. This button is your best friend when it comes to reverting changes. Unfortunately, it's prominently placed at the top of the editor's interface, usually represented by an arrow curling to the left, similar to many other software platforms. By clicking this button, you can step back one change at a time. It's important to note that each click undoes the most recent action you took, allowing you to work backward through your changes as needed. Keep in mind that sometimes you might need to click the undo button multiple times if you've performed several actions in sequence that you wish to revert. And if you accidentally go too far with your undos, don't worry. There's also a redo button right beside the undo button, typically an arrow curving to the right, allowing you to reapply any changes you might have undone by mistake. One handy tip to remember is to regularly save your work in progress on the Wix editor. Even though the undo button is incredibly useful, having your changes saved ensures that you always have a backup point to return to in case something goes wrong that the undo function can't handle. So there you have it, a simple yet effective way to manage your edits in Wix using the undo feature. It's an essential part of keeping your workflow smooth and worry-free as you build and refine your website. With this tool at your disposal, you can experiment and create with the freedom of knowing that any misstep can easily be corrected. Now go ahead and confidently make those changes. You got this.